Easy to make and healthy breakfast recipes save your time and energy. These recipes have the right balance of complex carbs, proteins, good fat, omega-3, and vitamins. Fresh fruits, yogurt, and berries further enrich their nutrition value. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and also press the bell button for more videos. Breakfast is a crucial part of everyone's routine which shouldn't be skipped. Especially when pregnant, your breakfast acts as the first source of nutrition for your little one to kickstart the day. As you need an extra 300 calories to support the growth of the baby, including whole grains, proteins, fresh fruits, and dairy in your breakfast is a good idea. Below are some easy to make and healthy breakfast recipes, which can be included in your diet plan for all the 9 months. 1. Whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. Having complex carbohydrates like whole wheat bread doesn't spike your sugar levels instantly, which is recommended during pregnancy. When topped with healthy fats like avocados and eggs, these make a healthy breakfast trio. The good cholesterol present in avocados and the choline present in the egg yolk gives the right dose of nutrition to you and the baby. 2. Yogurt with berries, nuts, and granola. Having a significant amount of good gut bacteria is important to prevent constipation and heartburn, which are common problems during pregnancy. Yogurt is the good source of the gut-friendly bacteria. Granola is loaded with complex carbs like oats and whole wheat. While berries provide the natural antioxidants and a range of vitamins, nuts are abundant in proteins and good fat. Together, they make a nutrient-rich breakfast just right for your increased nutritional needs. 3. Bean, egg, and cheese burrito. Packed with proteins, this burrito gives just the right amount of energy to kickstart yours and your little one's day. Egg and cheese are also a good source of fat. 4. Bagel with baked salmon and cream cheese. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for your baby's brain development. However, make sure it isn't smoked and is thoroughly baked. Cream cheese is a good source of protein and whole wheat bagel a high-fiber complex carb. 5. Green spinach and kiwi smoothie. What better way to start your day with a smoothie filled with vitamin C, calcium, folate, omega-3, and proteins. This green smoothie provides the right amounts of nutrients if you have morning sickness.